everyone. You're watching News Epicenter with me, Maria Shakil, this Saturday. And there are signals from the Congress that the deal is finally done for Navjot Singh Sidhu to be the next PCC chief with other working presidents. There's a formula that has been finally worked out, though a final announcement is still awaited. After a meeting with Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee President Sunil Jakhar, Sidhu dropped a big indication towards being the next PCC chief. On the other hand, Congress in charge of Punjab, Harish Rawat, said that Captain Amrinder Singh told him he has left the final decision to the Congress High Command. Sources in the Congress say that Captain is unhappy with Sidhu and has demanded a public apology for this battle that played out, his statements that have been made, and also the interviews that he had given. All that keeping in mind, the big question is, will Captain agree to work with Navjot Singh Sidhu? How will this play out in battleground Punjab? Let me bring in my guests. Pawan Khera, spokesperson of the Congress. Ramesh Vinayak is executive editor, Hindustan Times. Hemant Atri is a senior journalist. Harjot Singh is a spokesperson of AAP. And Jangveer Singh is spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Mr. Khera, elections in Punjab are a few months away, but till a few weeks ago, you were seen firmly on the driver's seat. But now, this Congress versus Congress, does it really augur well at a time when there is a resurgent Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab?
There are several incorrect statements in your opening remarks, in your question to me. There is no Congress versus Congress, number one. There is no resurgence of AAP, number two. These are hopes of the Aam Aadmi Party and our other rivals in the state. They keep planting, Congress versus Congress. When did you last see Congress leaders in every state not articulating their opinions before the central leadership? It has always happened. It's a very healthy practice. We do it. Everyone has a different style. That's a different matter. Mr. Captain Amrinder Singh would have a different style. Navjot Sidhu will have a different style. I will have a different style. We all have our different styles. We don't get controlled by a Nagpur ki sahab isi style mein sabko baat karni, wo hamare yahan nahi hota. So there is no Congress versus Congress, Maria. Yes, everybody has a right to apprise the central leadership of what he or she thinks about a particular issue or particular situation.
But Mr. Khera,
after the central leadership takes everybody's opinion, we reach at a particular decision.
Okay, now tell me, sir.
This is a decision-making process in the Congress
party.
You
are saying that it's a very democratic setup. That is the reason why leaders are raising concerns and doing it publicly also. But sir, tell me, why would the Congress upset or make its face in whose name you win votes have one Punjab upset, unhappy before elections?
Again, choice of words. My apologies, but these are incorrect words. Nobody is upset. Just because Captain Sahab articulates his position, his opinion on a particular issue before a decision is taken, doesn't mean he's upset. Once the decision is taken, it is acceptable to every single leader of a particular state. In this case, it's Punjab. I don't understand why is it a culture shock for seasoned journalists like you that decision-making process is so democratic, it involves everyone. Why is it a culture shock to you? It could be a culture shock to the BJP, I understand. To Akali Dal, yes, I understand. To Aam Aadmi Party, yes, I understand. But to you, Maria, it cannot be a culture shock.
Okay,
because
fine
that's
enough.
The way decisions are taken.
Okay, fine enough. Jangveer Singh, help us understand. Here is Mr. Khera saying that this is a very democratic process within the Congress, and the fact that the leaders are upset is also very transparent. In the sense, it's all right for them to communicate their concerns to the party leadership and finally leave the decision to the party leadership. Are you fishing in troubled waters?
Mr. Khera has talked about different style. Well, the different style should not be at the cost of the people. This public tamasha has been continuing for 3 months. during this time, we have earlier witnessed, the peak of COVID pandemic. Both these leaders who are doing this tamasha, Captain Amrinder Singh and Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, did nothing. They didn't go to any hospital. They didn't take any review meeting of the medical department, or in case of Mr. Navjot Sidhu, go out and meet the people. Then Punjab was suffering a power crisis. Captain Amrinder Singh was shuttling between Delhi and Chandigarh. He was using the state helicopter to answer summons of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Yes, this is a different style. This is a different style where you're impervious to the people. You're impervious, utterly insensitive to contractual teachers who are being beaten up, and the only fault is that they want to come and make a representation to you.
Okay.
So this is a very good style.
So while he is forgetting governance and government, he is taking care of or responding to what is going wrong. But before that, before I bring in other panelists, let's listen in to what Navjot Singh Sidhu said actually while meeting Mr. Jakhar. We'll try and get that video play, because that is actually a clear indication of the power transition that's happening from Mr. Jakhar to Navjot Singh Sidhu. Hemant Atri, we are seeing these visuals play out. You understand Punjab, and you have an you'll be able to put this in context for us. There were reports suggesting that Captain Amrinder Singh has and faces massive anti-incumbency, and hence this decision of Navjot Singh Sidhu, and also perhaps going with certain degree of ambiguity around who will be the chief ministerial face of the Congress party, will yield dividends for the Congress.
See, Maria, in the last 2 and 3 months, as you rightly pointed out in the initial comments, 2-3 things have been established beyond any reasonable doubt. One, before these things started happening, there was no opposition to Congress. See, the prevailing circumstances, farmers' agitation is going on in Punjab. There was no challenge from any side. SAD and BJP, they are separate now. They have parted ways. SAD is not able to come up to the farmers' demands. BJP is totally discredited. Aam Aadmi Party has already lost 6 MLAs to Congress. 3-4 are again in the offing now, furthermore. So the complete game plan was with the Congress. After looking into it and taking it for sure that they will win these elections hand down, they started fighting within themselves. That is a hard fact. Mr. Pawan Kheda might agree, he might not agree. But since I am observing Punjab for last say about 20 years, covering Punjab, I have never seen such a open tamasha going on. Congress has proved once again how not to go in any election, like the way they have done in Punjab. Simple reason. The way Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu has been made, it's the most unprofessional way of any national party, 130 years of history. After elevating Mr. Sidhu, I don't know what will be the benefits to the Congress. But yes, the way they have humiliated Captain Amrinder Singh and the way he is sulking.
Okay, Mr. Atri, tell me, do you get that sense? Do you get that sense that Navjot Singh Sidhu may not be, may not be a vote catcher, but he is certainly articulate and has that advantage that he gets the audience, and that may prove to be advantage Congress in the due course, because there are 6 months to go. If the Congress is sorting out its issues, maybe late, but they are sorting it out before the elections.
See, Maria, the way Captain Amrinder Singh is sulking, see what he said to Mr. Rawat today. He said, I had no issues with transition of this thing, PCC from Jakhar to Sidhu. There was no issue. But the way it has been done, the way he has been humiliated, the way Sidhu has given more than 150 tweets. So what will Captain do? His authority stands already eroded. So, knowing Captain by his work style, he will not, he will not pardon unless he files a public apology.
Okay.
Which
Mr.
I
Kheda,
don't think.
Do you think the Congress leadership will ensure that there is a public apology that is tendered to Captain before the two leaders perhaps decide to start working? And also, what is evident also is, Mr. Kheda, that Sidhu perhaps arm twisted the central leadership.
Sorry, I lost your voice. What is evident? Sorry.
That perhaps Sidhu also arm twisted the central leadership.
Maria, I would not respond to speculative observations with due respect to all of you. My colleague from the Akali Dal also resorted to very incorrect statements. That Captain Saab did not handle COVID. COVID management, if you were to count some of the best states in terms of COVID management, I think Punjab would be in top 4 or 5. Mr. Sidhu was not a minister.
That's why it had
He's just
the
an
highest,
MLA. Wait, let me finish.
mortality rate,
Don't
among the
interrupt.
highest
Do
mortality
not
rates.
interrupt. Maria, would you allow me to
Yes,
interrupt
please,
others?
go ahead.
Thank you. Mr. Sidhu and his team of his cadre kept distributing dry rations, kits, everything across the state. So please do not resort to lies when you come to Maria's show, because this show is respected. आप कहीं और झूठ बोल लीजिएगा, यहाँ मत बोलिए कम से कम. Now, Mr. Atri,
आप शुरू से ही झूठ बोल रहे हैं. आप तो मारिया के क्वेश्चन को
जंगवीर
कह रहे हैं कि वो झूठ
जंगवीर
बोल
जी,
रही है.
आपने जब बोला तो उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला. आप इंटरवीन मत करिए. Let him finish.
मुझे नहीं जानते हैं अभी.
Let him
आपको
make his
मेरे
point.
शब्द नहीं बोलने
Okay,
की
go
बात
ahead.
है, आप इस तरह से interrupt
Okay, go ahead,
आपको
go
बता रहा हूं.
ahead. Go ahead, Mr. Khera.
Atri Saab, your observations, with due respect to you, are far from truth, because before a decision is taken, each one of us has a right to articulate what we think. Once a decision is taken, we are absolutely disciplined about that decision. We are behind the leadership when a decision is taken. Captain Saab is from the old school of politics. A lot of us have to learn all this from him. We are learning from him. So don't underestimate the value system the old school of Congress politicians have. I belong to that because I got trained by Sheila Dikshit.
Yes.
So I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Do not misread what the Captain Saab camp is. Whatever.
Okay, let me get a word from Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson also.
आम आदमी को और अकाली दल को इसमें कोई उम्मीदें अपनी नहीं
Please,
बढ़ानी
Okay.
चाहिए. हम सब
Maria,
मिलकर
please allow
election
me
लड़ते
also.
I'll come to you. Harjot Singh Bans, let me ask you this
I just
question.
wanted to
There
ask
was, I'll
Mr.
come to you.
Khera,
I'll come to you, Mr.
From
Jangveer.
where
One
did
moment.
he get this figure?
Okay, Mr.
About
Pence,
Captain
tell me.
Amarinder having handled
One more.
COVID the best.
One
अरे आप
one view
रहने
is
दीजिए ना, आप अपना अकाली
okay.
दल को संभालिए, छोड़िए आप.
Okay.
आपके बस की नहीं है. आप
Okay,
अकाली
one
दल
moment,
को-
one
किसी ने आपको
यहाँ मत भाषण
आपने
दीजिए. अकाली दल को संभालिए जाकर जाकर.
you have dreamt
किसानों-
about this
किसानों के साथ
yourself?
धोखा करके बैठे हो.
You have
यहाँ
dreamt
मत
about
आकर
this yourself?
किसानों को धोखा दिया है, यहाँ मत भाषण
Or you have
दीजिए.
any
किसान
figures?
ढूंढ
You have
रहे हैं
any
आपको.
figures to
मत
prove
करिए
what you're
आप
saying?
आवाज़बाजी.
Okay.
जाइए
You're
जरा
fond
अकाली
of
दल
you're
को
fond of
समझाइए.
Mr.
saying
Pence,
others are
it
lying.
looks like
Do you
that
have
Aam Aadmi
any? Do
Party
you have
chief
anything?
Arvind
proof
Kejriwal's
that Captain
offer
Amarinder Singh
to
handled COVID
Navjot Singh
properly?
Sidhu actually worked for him
Punjab
in
had the
striking this
highest
deal
mortality
within the
rate,
Congress
Mr.
party.
Khera. You don't know what you're talking.
Okay, Mr. Bans, please, on
Punjab
the
had
screen.
highest
Harjot Singh
mortality
Bans
rate.
now, please. Yes.
Yes. Maria, right now, I would like to, I was just listening to the conversation between the Akali Dal spokesperson and the Congress spokesperson. My simple question, whenever I'm on a debate, or my simple question, or whatever the media or the people of Punjab want to know is from this Congress High Command or Congress leadership is that how long this drama will run. Every day come up that the decision is coming. It has been 4 months. There have been committees. There have been numerous visits to Delhi. Their chief minister visiting, the ministers visiting, the MLAs visiting at the time when there is a power crisis in Punjab, number one, when there is a farmer crisis in Punjab, when there is unemployment is on the peak in Punjab, when the contract, employees are sitting on dharnas in Punjab, when the teachers are sitting on dharna on Punjab, when doctors are sitting in dharna on Punjab, when transporters are sitting on dharna in Punjab, at that time, and it is since last 4 months. And now my simple question is that how long? Only 200 days are left for elections.
Okay.
People of Punjab want answer, and the High Command.
Mr. Khera, the question is that this is prolonged. The battle has been going on for way too long. You may say it's democracy or transparency, whatever. You will obviously believe in the old school of thought. But for people of Punjab, they want to know if they have a functioning chief minister. The chief minister is in Delhi, rushing to the national capital, trying to really ensure that there is some kind of truce. The message is not sent on ground that he is being replaced. So there's a lot of confusion. Will you not accept that there's confusion?
Maria, if Aam Aadmi Party were to mislead your viewers by saying what they said, I can understand. Do you know that the Chief Minister of Haryana in 7 days in a week, how many days does he live in Delhi? Does it mean that Haryana doesn't function? It doesn't have a functioning government? Just because Captain Saab came to Delhi thrice or twice in the last 1 month, does it mean that Punjab stops functioning? By that logic, most of your states don't function because chief ministers are traveling. What kind of a logic is this? आम आदमी पार्टी 20 एमएलए जिता के लाए थे, कितने बचे आपके? यहाँ भाषण दे रहे हैं और दिल्ली में क्या हड़तालें नहीं होती चुनाव से पहले? चुनाव से पहले हर ग्रुप अपनी मांगे मनवाने के लिए हड़ताल करता है. यह भी एक स्वस्थ लोकतांत्रिक परंपरा है. This is healthy democracy. In case you haven't heard of democracy.
Harjot.
Every group, whether it's teachers, whether it's police, whether it's MC, everybody, corporations, everybody wants their demands to be heard, and why not? They have a right to sit on a hunger strike, trying to draw the attention of all political parties before an election. आपको सिर्फ चुनाव लड़ने की ज़्यादा आदत नहीं है, इसलिए आप नए.
Yes, go ahead.
So kindly, another question is then can I have the figure that how often Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh leaves his farmhouse?
Has Chief Minister
met any teacher? He only leaves his farmhouse when he has to visit.
Both your political opponents are speaking. Some Shiromani Akali Dal and Aam Aadmi Party jointly.
Problem is they interrupt each other in their politics also, not just on your debates. So even the people don't listen to them because they keep interrupting each other.
Jangveer Singh, 30 seconds to you and 30 seconds to Harjot Singh Bens.
And your chief minister is shuttered in his farmhouse since the last 1.5 years. I just like to ask you, has he met any protesting teacher? Has he met any representative of any agitating employee? Has he gone to a single hospital? Has he met any delegation of farmers? Has he gone and checked in the fields how farmers are suffering? They did not get power for days together. Did he visit any industrial factory?
Maria, I want to ask through you, has Mr. Jangveer done even one?
You've done your homework. You have decided upon yourself that your chief minister has handled COVID very nicely. From where did you get this figure? Did WHO give you this figure? Did WHO give you this figure? Did any national agency give you this figure? Or what proof do you have that your chief minister handled COVID very nicely? You have made this assertion out here. You have made this assertion.
I'll give the final words to Ramesh Vinayak and Hemant Atri. Mr. Vinayak, I'm coming to you. You are seeing this, the argument play out between the three players in Punjab, Shiromani Akali Dal, the Congress, and of course the Aam Aadmi Party. The big question to you, Mr. Vinayak, is how are people on ground taking this fight that is going on within the Congress party, particularly that is playing out between Captain and Navjot Singh Sidhu? Is it coming too late, and does it mean that this puts Congress in a disadvantageous position as it comes just weeks before the elections?
Hi, good evening, Maria. Thanks for having me on the show. Well, this Congress crisis definitely hurting the ruling party. It couldn't have come at worse time. Elections are just 6 months away, and we have this serious infighting going on, in the Congress party. So it is not really helping the party. So at the ground level, the party leaders, workers, they are confused, and so the whole narrative at the moment in Punjab is about, this crisis in Punjab Congress. So I guess this is definitely, they are losing on this battle of perception.
So the perception is a matter of concern, Mr. Atri. You made the similar observation, which of course was completely dismissed by Pawan Khera. If the Congress party manages to really put it out in the public domain in the next 24 hours that it's Navjot Singh Sidhu's PCC chief, then do you think they'll be able to arrest the decline that is evident?
See, Maria,
Go ahead.
I think question was for me, Maria.
Yes, Mr. Atri, yes.
Yeah. See, Maria, whatever has happened, this so-called compromise formula, it will further aggravate the problem in the coming months. You take it from me. How? How it will come, I'll tell you. See, Captain Amrinder will be given free hand in cabinet reshuffle, which otherwise is his prerogative, of course, to have his own team. right? He will be naming 2 working presidents. PCC president will be Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu. The question will not stop here. It will further aggravate at the time of ticket distribution. How?
Okay.
In the Congress party, from any state going to elections, there are 2 representatives from the state. One is the CLP leader, which here in this case is Captain Amrinder Singh as Chief Minister, and then Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu. If before any reason, without any reason, 6 months before, Congress party is washing their dirty linen in public space, what will be happening around once the ticket distribution is there in the Central Election Committee? I think this formula is not workable at all because Captain Amrinder doesn't compromise beyond a point. Beyond a point, mark my words. And Navjot Singh Sidhu is a man in a hurry. As of now, he has a complete hand of High Command on his head.
Yes.
But come 6 months, where will situation go? See, Punjab is not that simple a state for elections. There are Panthic agendas also. There is Dharmic agenda also. And you know, Captain Amrinder Singh, his family, they are the keepers of the sword of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. So he also connects with that Panthic agenda. The way Captain Amrinder Singh has been humiliated, the way he has been called to Delhi twice or thrice, the way he has been made to appear before 3 members committee, then without meeting Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi, he comes back and then again goes. And every time Navjot Singh Sidhu meets High Command or committee, he puts out all those disturbing tweets wherein he challenges captain's authority every time without
All right.
So how do you think this compromise formula will work? I think it will further sabotage the chances.
So you are saying that the compromise formula may be announced, but that will further make matters worse for the Congress party in Punjab. I would like to thank my guests, Pawan Khera, Ramesh Vinayak, Hemant Atri, Harjot Bains and Jangveer Singh. Before I leave, let's listen in to that conversation that took place between Navjot Singh Sidhu and the current PCC chief, Mr. Jakhar, in which Mr. Sidhu had gone to seek blessings of Mr. Jakhar and said that he is there to seek advice from the outgoing president. Listen in. I'm leaving you with this. Thanks so much for watching.
मार्गदर्शक बस इन्हीं गल खत्म
ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਈ ਨੇ ਮਾਰਗਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਮਾਰਗਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ
हमेशा
ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ
हमेशा
ਜਾਖੜ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਾਰਗਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋਗੇ
देखो आप समझदार है एज ए केपेबल मैन एडा ਵੱਡਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਹੈ ਆਈ ਡੋਂਟ ਥਿੰਕ ਹੀ ਨੀਡਸ ਐਨੀ ਮਾਰਗਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਪਰ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਖੜੇ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ
2022 ਚ ਜੋੜੀ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਟ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੋੜੀ ਹਿੱਟ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਜਾਖੜ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਫਿੱਟ ਵੀ ਤੇ
cordial sir cordial rahi meeting bilkul
he is an elder brother
ji sir
his family and a guiding force